I'm Robert Toomey,
And I'm Asha Smith,
and
and
oh, go ahead.
we're going to talk to you today about Theater of Latent Possibilities. Our vision is to redefine live entertainment with generative AI. We're asking, how can we bring the liveness and imagination of generative AI to live performance? And I just want to take a moment to just say that we're using here photographs from what we've been doing with AI radio plays. We have a history of putting on these plays. In this example here, this is in Barcelona at Isaiah 2022. We're trying to reimagine the script as a living document. We're creating collaborative world building and generative AI in an AI enhanced writer's room. And our team is comprised of an interdisciplinary cohort of those of us working in business, sound, music, installation, robotics, publishing, story, strategy. We work across different sectors from industry to academia to research labs.
So as Ash described, we're really focused on generative AI for live performance, and we've broken that down into kind of two points in time, two phases. The first is writing tools in kind of pre-production, devising scripts for performance, and then on the left here. And the second part is incorporating AI into the actual performance or broadcast. So working with a script as a living artifact, and then even maybe getting towards streaming content and the idea of an audience directly engaging with this sort of dynamic experience. So for that first pre-production, as Ash described, we have this history with these AI radio plays of building these AI co-writing tools. So LLM integrated authoring environments. Here on the right, we were prototyping in Discord, but where you have human writers co-writing, prompting, riffing off each other alongside language models, and having this kind of to produce these collectively co-authored scripts. As having tackled that, we're moving towards the integration of AI into live performance, and that's what we've developed as a part of this challenge. So the idea here is to reimagine the script as a dynamic living document that combines generated and human authored elements. So in the performance, parts of the script could regenerate. This reasserts the value of liveness in performance and brings kind of, turns like kind of fixed properties into dynamic experiences. And I'll be brief on this, but beyond working with a script, a cast, and a production, there's also an opportunity here for end users to engage with IP, in-world narrative content through the same kind of systems, which really would drive interest back to the original properties. So we want to do a quick demo and then talk a little bit about applicability to Bertelsmann. So our case study that we worked with here was the novel Ubik by Philip K. Dick from 1969. So this story is set in a future where of kind of destabilized reality. There's psionics with psychic powers, and there's these anti-psi forces. And there's one character who can kind of re-edit history or re-edit past. This resonates with this idea, kind of the potentials, the latent possibilities of generative AI. So we'll play a minute of this demo. And so this is apologize if the video is choppy. We're streaming online, but this is a recording of a table read we did using our kind of prototype live script technology. Okay, AI Ubik, take 3. The Unseen Collective, a futuristic encounter.
Introducing Ubik, the ultimate men's health solution. Hey, Robert, could we change the prompt to, how about something like in skincare?
Okay, let's write a short advertisement for a skincare product called Ubik.
Experience the ultimate transformation with Ubik Skincare. Our revolutionary formula deeply nourishes and rejuvenates your skin.
Sound of doorbell. We see Chip stumble up, spilling a keychain, a paperclip, and a rubber band from his lap. Voice of G.G. Ashwood on the other side of the door.
Joe, I found a promising new recruit for our cause.
That's great. Where did you find them?
Can we run it again?
Yeah, let's rerun that. All right, Ashwood.
Joe, I found the perfect prospect for our cause. They have impressive skills in counter surveillance and information extraction.
That's great. Where did you recruit them from?
Believe it or not, I found them at the Academy of Cybersecurity. They have a specialization in neural encryption and decryption. Maybe one more time for these last two lines.
Yeah, let's make it a little shorter too.
They also have, oh, even better, at the Mind and Body Wellness Expo, they have an uncanny ability to detect psychic energy.
That's fantastic. With their help, we can finally expose the manipulative ways of psychics and protect the vulnerable. All right, so what you're seeing here is obviously a very early prototype, but of this script is a shared kind of dynamic document. So we have a client, multiple clients connected through the web, ability to broadcast from any to the other, and ability to edit prompts on the fly. So if we reprompt or even edit the fixed text of the piece, it'll repopulate out to the performers. We think this speaks to some of the potential for incorporating generated content or collectively co-authored content into a live performance, where each performance then develops this kind of unique qualities. So just to wrap it up, the potential value towards Bertelsmann Media, we think there's application in live scripted entertainment. We think working with existing publishing, there's possibilities for extending author worlds and narrative IP to create these kind of long tail experiences, either using the system to kind of stream, like Critical Role or some of these other groups are doing with D&D. Also ways to make text experiential and to produce tailored or on-demand live audio responsive content. Just a little bit on our timeline. So as Ash described, we've spent the past 2 years really prototyping these AI writers' rooms and working through a series of AI enhanced writers' rooms and working through a series of radio performances. We've just established this live script, and what we're heading towards is a pilot show, a spring 2025. So continuing workshopping the writing, developing live visuals and other aspects. And so that's where we're targeting. So here at the Theater of Latent Possibilities, we believe our future is live, co-created, and in real time. So thank you.